Hi, today I would like to teach you the butterfly, the inverted trick on the pole that looks a little bit like this. Hi, my name is Annie. I've been a pole dancing coach for over 20 years and I'm here to help you understand pole at a deeper level by breaking everything down so you have the informed choice to move forwards and train pole appropriately for you. Before we get into the details of the butterfly, please make sure that you are nice and warm and ready to participate in this tutorial. You need to have a very strong, confident invert before we start practicing this move. I recommend practicing it with a spotter and a mat, and I never advise training alone in any space. There are two main ways to do a butterfly. One of them I will teach people when they are new to learning a butterfly, and then the second way is how I teach people to do the butterfly when their goal are things like Aishas and straight edges on the pole, because they are slightly different muscle engagements, and the second butterfly will really help gain strength for the bigger moves. We're going to start with an invert on the pole, getting your legs up nice and high. I need you to squeeze your knees together so this can help with extra grip. It's your inside arm, so that's your lowest hand, that you're going to release. Once we feel comfortable with this, we're going to look down at the floor and try and find the pole with our hand. Now, if we do a butterfly from this position, it won't quite work because I'm off to the side. So my top hand needs to slide down as well until I can turn and it's in my top armpit. This bottom hand, we're going to press down and really make sure it's the palm of our hand that we're pushing into the pole. So it's in my armpit and the bottom hand is pointing down. Once I'm here, I need to still pull with my top arm. It's my back leg, so I can bend one leg, that's my back leg, and I want to pull it away from the pole. Now, the further you can get your hips away from the pole, the more comfortable this will feel. If our leg is pointing up to the ceiling, this makes us feel a lot more heavy and it is difficult to hold. So pull this leg away. To come back down, leg back on, release the bottom hand, grab the pole, and we're going to slide or dismount. You might find when you first start learning your butterfly, you are slightly off to the side. This is fine and normal when you first start, and this is because we just haven't got the full turn yet when our bottom hand is down. I generally find with all the students that I've taught over the years, it's just still nerves that doesn't allow us to fully straighten. Once we start to feel a bit more confident, remember, it's the top hand armpit that we really want against the pole. Let me show you what I mean. So when we go up into our invert, people take this hand down, and now you can see it's not in this armpit. This means your butterfly is going to come off to the side. It's fine, but it's not necessarily what we want. So bring the top hand down and really turn into the pole. So it's this top armpit that we now are in. It's almost as if my entire chest is to one side of the pole. So then when we let go of the leg, we are nice and straight and vertical with the pole rather than off to the side. Let's talk about this bottom hand position. I see a common mistake with the bottom hand position, which won't necessarily lead to helping you get stronger on the pole. And there is a small potential for injury by overloading the bottom joint as well. When people do their butterfly, they are often told to bring this hand up and push into the pole. Can you see that my armpit now on the bottom arm looks a little bit closed? This isn't the ideal position for your butterfly because it won't necessarily lead to helping you get stronger for the Aisha. This bottom arm should be more of a brace against the pole, much like a handstand on the floor, even though this feels nothing like a handstand, rather than a push in to the pole. So once we're in our butterfly, we need to focus on that bottom hand sliding down and pushing down towards the floor rather than in towards the pole. So let me show you that. Once you're upside down, if your bottom hand is pushing in, I want you to slide it down and really think about the push going down. This will be important when you come to learn your Aishas because your bottom arm will be in the correct position, ready for a nice strong Aisha. When we are learning the type of butterfly where we want to gain more strength rather than the first butterfly, which is just your first butterfly you will learn that looks nice and pretty for photo shoots. I call that one the photo shoot butterfly. We want to really think about this top arm now. So our bottom arm is pointing down towards the floor. We're really pushing down. And now we're going to shift all of the focus onto this top arm. We're going to take ourselves upside down and into our butterfly here. Now, this top arm, so the one closest to my legs, I'm going to think about pulling. Can you see that shift? This means I'm trying to pull myself up off my bottom arm when I go into my butterfly. Because when we pull enough, you'll find that this leg isn't doing anything, and that's when it can lead to aishes. So we really want to pull as much as we can. Again, if our bottom arm is pushing into the pole, we can't do that pull up in the same way. We want to share the load equally between our arms. The bottom arm is a brace or a push, and the top arm is a pull. You might often hear this a lot with pole, that we have this push and pull thing going on. It's just that sometimes people misunderstand the push with the bottom arm, and they really think it's a push into the pole rather than down towards the floor. So I hope this helps with your butterfly. This is a brief tutorial, and there are lots of more details that can be gone into the butterfly and lots of techniques that work for different people. If you do have any questions, please do drop them below, and I'm more than happy to help.